It's your girl Kashara here. Welcome back to another video. I know, right? A little bit different, but y'all asked and I have been listening. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be my everyday makeup look. Usually I do this every single time I wear makeup. If not, watch any of my other videos, go check those out. I like to do vlog style videos, clean with me videos. I'm a sleep tech, so I like to do videos on talking about my job and explaining my job title. So if there's something that you might be interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, girl, so you can be aware of when I upload a video. But I want to just come in and say, hey girl, hey. Today is my birthday and I just felt like getting cute. So I was like, why not record me doing my makeup, because y'all have been asking. So here it is, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's just get right into it. Okay guys, first off, I just want to let y'all know, because I know how you girls like to tussle, I don't use primer. I just feel like it's just to defeat the purpose of my skin, because I feel like I'm gonna get back oily by the time the end of the day. So I'm just like, what's the point of a primer? If you choose to use primer, you can, that's fine. If you use a primer, it's not gonna like change any way I do my makeup or any way you do your makeup. I just don't have any like big pores or anything like that, so I don't have any areas on my face that I feel the need to add a primer on to like smooth out. So I don't use a primer. Don't beat me up, y'all. Don't do that, okay? First thing first, I'm gonna go in with my favorite foundation that I'm living right now, and it's the Bare Mineral Bare Pro foundation. And I got it in the shade Chai 26. I do have a video on this foundation on my channel. I'll link it in the card above. This foundation is old, like not old, but it's kind of like old, maybe like a year or two old. But this is my favorite foundation. And if you don't know, I'm a makeup artist based in the Mississippi area. So I've tried several foundations, but what I did notice was I feel like drugstore foundation makes me oilier faster than actual high-end foundation. I do like to go a shade darker on my foundation, just because how I highlight and conceal my face, it's like a little bit light, and I don't want, you know, it to look like white when I'm like taking pictures or flash or anything like that. So I always go a shade darker. So if you notice when I put this foundation on and it might look a little dark, just bear with me. I'm gonna blend everything together and you're gonna see how it look in the end. I like to go in with my foundation using a beauty blender. These body sponges, you can get them at Ulta, they're my favorite, but I like to just go in with a sponge. Okay, so next I'm gonna go with my concealer, and I love using the Born This Way concealer. It's my favorite right now. And I get this in the shade Sand. I'm just gonna start off. I am that person who put that concealer like this. I know a lot of people say they don't, or they feel like they're using too much concealer, and to each his own, but I just feel like I get a better coverage when I put it on this way. So we're gonna do the Cupid's bow, the chin. I'm also gonna do the forehead. I love using this sponge right here. As you can see, it's dirty because I used it to do my makeup yesterday. But while this part sits up under my eye so it can get a little bit tacky and sticks a little bit more to give me more of a coverage, I'm gonna go in and blend out the other areas, which is my forehead, my Cupid's bow, and my chin. I learned like with my face shape to kind of come down on my cheek area to with my concealer and I feel like it shapes my face better when I do so. And then the extra concealer that I do have, like on my beauty blender or whatever, I go over my nose and bring it up like towards my eyes. Now with my makeup, I don't usually put eyeshadow on. I just allow like my natural skin color to be the to look like the eyeshadow. This Too Faced Born This Way concealer blends out so good, and the coverage on it is like fire. Okay, so you're just gonna go back over it just to make sure you don't have any harsh lines. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Stay Matte. As you can see, I hit pan on these. I think I saw Dollface Lyric a long time ago, use this product, and I've been in love ever since then. You can pick this up at Ulta as well. All these products you can get from Ulta besides one of them that I'm going to show you. Well, no, I think they might have it back. I think they might have started selling this in Ulta, but anyways, that's besides the point. So I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Stay Matte powder in the shade Transparent. And I'm just gonna take a little fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M438 brush, and I'm just gonna go in wherever the places that I highlighted. I'm just gonna go in with this powder and just add it on there. Okay, I've added that to the areas that I highlighted. So next I'm going in with my contour powder, and I'm gonna go in with the Black Opal foundation stick, and I'm gonna use it in the shade Chocolate. So I just basically go around my forehead and my cheeks. Sometimes it all depends on, I might bring it down on my neck, but like right here around my chin, but I don't feel the need to do that today. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetic brush. You can find these brush sets at Ulta. All these brushes came from Ulta. And I'm just going to blend that out. I'm gonna start on my forehead first. I don't bring it right here because I don't want it to come right here. I used to do that and it looked like it was like a line like that. I don't want that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Brow Ultra Slim Pencil by Maybelline. Sometimes I do my brows, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just like to fluff them out and do a little flick of the wrist here and there. And then I will go about my day, but this is for like pictures and for my birthday, so I kind of want to, you know, like define them a little bit. And I like to bring it in just a little bit and brush those brows. Just brush the product up. And I just do 8 strokes at the front of my brows. Okay, there's one brow. And like I said, I just like to go up a little bit. Just blend the product out. So here's another thing, guys. I don't clean my brows up all the time. I just kind of like let them look like this. because I feel like it makes it look a little bit more natural. It just could be a me thing, but I just don't, and it saves me hell of a time. Like, when it comes to my brows, especially with my clients, girl, I have to take my time on them, okay? Because I don't want them to look all boxy and not cute. That same contour, the black opal one, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe E47 brush. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, like the perfect contour brush, like perfect. And I'm gonna take a little bit of that, and I'm just gonna start to contour and shape my nose. So here's the thing when it comes to your brows, a little hack. So what I like to do is bring this all the way up, curve it in there. So therefore, if you have that line right there that you probably see on my brows, when you bring your contour up from your nose, and it kind of blurs that out. So where your brows look natural. And sometimes too, I like to bring the contour powder a little bit over in my eyelid, and it goes in as a shade as well. Okay, now I have my nose shaped how I want it to, girl. Period, because she snatched. She snatched, okay? Now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer, and I use the shade Cocoa Naughty. I'm gonna take my Ruby Kiss. Ruby Kiss got some good brushes too, y'all. My Ruby Kiss brush. And I'm also gonna take my Milani Baked Blush in Bella Rose. And I'm going to dip it in both. So dip. So basically dip like that. Don't be afraid to do it. I love to contour with my blush. Okay, now that we have that done, we have set all our powders in place. I'm gonna go in with my Clinique. Let me tell y'all, this Clinique has been my ride or die as well. It's an oldie, but it's a goodie. I hit pan, y'all. Hit pan, so that's how you know it's real. But hold on, move too fast, back it up. So I'm gonna take this Stay Matte powder by what did I say it was by? I don't know if I said Maybelline at first, but it's definitely by Rimmel. And I'm just gonna use that same brush that I had, and I'm gonna put it right up under that line. Also, I don't bring it all the way forward. You know how back in the day, I don't even know if girls still do this because I don't even watch like beauty videos like that no more. But you know how back then, y'all, whatever, bring it to here, like I could still see the line on me, and I ain't like that. I ain't even gonna lie like I like that, because I did. Now I'm gonna go in with that Clinique powder, and I got this in 23 Ginger, but it's the Beyond Perfecting Powder Foundation plus Concealer. Very good. I'm gonna take this brush that I got from e.l.f., little fluffy brush, and I'm going to get a lot, and then I'm just gonna go all over my face so I can get rid of the ashy look. So you see how it like it done toned down compared to this side. Then, you know, like, am I the only one like makeup makes my nose itch? Does that mean I'm allergic to it? Child, I don't know. But now I'm gonna go in with my lip liner. I like to use the LA Girl Ultimate Lip Intense Stay Out Auto Liner. Okay, so another thing I like to do, I like to go in with my concealer, a lighter concealer, and use that as a lipstick. I just like doing it. So I'm just gonna take a concealer. This any kind of concealer you want to use. This is the one I'm gonna use. Like I said, it's like real light. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and just dab it in the middle. Like, I know it looks a little bit weird, but I'm gonna go back in with that lip liner. I don't like to go on the bottom lash line with anything like a eyeliner or eyeshadow, anything like that. I just don't. I just feel like that just doesn't look right on me. You can go in with like a color and put it in the lower area, but I just don't want to do that. I'm gonna go in now with my Laura Galore Gilded Honey highlighter. Super pretty. Super pretty. Another OD, y'all. I'm trying to tell you, I keep up with my products and I'm gonna make sure I use all of them before I buy something else. So I'm gonna put it right here on my nose. And I'm using the Morphe M575 brush. You can use any brush. That's just what I'm using. And I'm going my cheekbone areas. Highlight the brow bone. Okay, and I'm gonna go back over my makeup with that same powder brush and just make sure I don't have any harsh lines anywhere with my highlighter. So what I'm about to do is, guys, I'm about to go off camera, put on my lashes, and then I'll be back and I'll show you guys what lashes I'm gonna use once I get. So I put on my clothes and stuff, but I want to show you guys my lashes. I doubled them up and I use Kiss Lash Contour Triple Push Up Collection. I use these and they're in the shade. They're in the style Bombshell. And I also went in with the Kiss Lash Contour Matte Black Faux Mink Collection. I went in with these as well. These are my favorite lashes, girl. My favorite lashes. Love them. Love them. So basically, like I said, I like to double up. I put these on the bottom and then I go in with the matte velvet ones on the top of my eyes, and that's how I get this look with my lashes. But that's it for this video, guys. Y'all have been asking me to do this tutorial. Honey, I have been straying away from makeup tutorials. I have not recorded a makeup tutorial in a while. This makeup will take me maybe 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, not even 30. 30 is kind of pushing it, but definitely around about 20 minutes or whatever to do. And as you can see, it comes out flawless every single time. And I only use a few products, girl. I don't use all the extra stuff. I just use what I need to get what I need done, and I'll be out the door, okay? If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you doing, sis? Make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you can be aware of when I upload my videos. If you guys love this video, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.